Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Friends, welcome back to my channel. In this session we will see how we can download a programming tool, a software tool for Arduino. Open the Chrome browser, Google Chrome or any browser, whichever you are using. Go to Arduino.cc. This is the official website and it is totally free. Go to software sections. In the software section, here is Arduino IDE 1.8.19. This is the latest software. Which type of operating system you are using? Either Windows, Linux or Mac. So we are using Windows 7 and newer. If you want to support, you can support here or just download. Contribute and download and just download. Wait until it is downloaded. It is a official website and it is totally free. Yes, it is downloaded. Click here. Run. I agree. Here is a license. It is a general public license. Okay, agree. Just check all the checkboxes and next. See program files. 86 Arduino, yes, install. Now it is extracting. Once the software is installed completely, it is showing completed. Just close it. Here we have Arduino. This is our programming tool link. Open it. Now the software is installed. Just only select here the board type. Which type of board you are using. Select the type here, the board type here and start. When you will connect, it will show the port. Now I am connecting the board to the USB port. When it is connected, it is showing Arduino Uno at count 7. Communication port 7, that is USB port. Go to tools and we can see here is the board is now visible here. That means our software is configured, drivers are working. Just type the program here, software, and program it and upload in the Arduino. It will work. I hope so you enjoyed this video. If it is good, hit the like button. If you have any question, let me know in the comment box. Thanks for watching.